Okay, hello everyone. I am going to walk you through what it would look like to choose the favorite slash celebration for your reflection activity for this week. So if you want to bring joy into your mind and spirit, you should do this journal entry because it's so fun to think about all your favorite memories. And when you're like, sometimes I'll be doing something and then a funny memory will come to my mind and I'll just start laughing, and someone around me will be like, what's so funny? And you'll try to explain it and it's not funny to them and then it falls short, whatever. But basically, this is a journal entry of all of those moments. If you're just kind of zoned out and you think of something, what is that memory from 6th grade? And so this is going to be a journal entry. So you can do it in your ISN or you could do it on a Google Doc. And you're just going to write about your favorite memories. You can also do celebrations. What are you really celebrating going into the summer? That like summer feeling of, I did it. What are those celebrations for you? So if you click here, it's just going to take you to some questions to consider in your journal entry. And so these are just questions to read through, and you can go through and answer each of them or just select some. But you are just going to write about memories that made you smile. And that could be, I broke it up into what is a memory you have in the classroom, or what about at lunch, any times at lunch. But just think about band or orchestra or choir, think about PE, think about, an elective if you did Spanish or something, or French. Think about English and science and history and math, and think about all your teachers and think about all your friends and just assemblies that we had, talent shows, anything, because I know that we're kind of warped into online learning right now, but we did have a long school year outside of online learning. And maybe some of your favorite memories are from online learning. And that's awesome too. So just take some time to celebrate and reflect on favorite memories using these questions, or kind of wander and go about it your own way. Okay? But I hope you enjoy it. Again, you can do it written or you can do it in a Google Doc. And yeah, thanks guys.